Hello students, good afternoon. Today we will discuss BSc B.Ed semester 3rd unit 1 of mathematics, which is convergence of sequence. Here I am explaining you the definition of sequence of real numbers. Its definition is if there is an ordered set, S is equal to S1, S2, S3 and so on, Sn, and so on, bracket is closed, of real numbers such that corresponding to every positive integer n is element of capital N, small n is element of capital N, there is a real number Sn is element of S, then the expression S1, S2, S3 in curly bracket up to Sn and so on is called a sequence of real numbers and is briefly denoted by. This is also the denotation for sequence, that it may be mentioned in curly bracket Sn from n is equal to 1 to infinity, or in curly bracket simply Sn, or such type of symbol in which you may assign this Sn. Then it is notation or denotation of sequence of real numbers, and Sn is called the nth term and range of sequences Sn such that n is element of n. Let me explain you what do we mean by this particular ordered set. This is only the term which is to be understood. Let us see about this ordered set, what it is, what it says. Suppose I am taking here 1 and then 1 upon 2, then 1 upon 3, then 1 upon 4 and so on, like this, and then 1 upon n and further. Then it is called a sequence. Why is it so? Sequence of real numbers. Because there is particular order. Suppose here it is 1 in denominator, no need to write. After that 2 is there, after that 3 is there in denominator, then 4. Like this only we have to proceed. Then this is known as sequence. It may be like this also, 1, then 1 upon 2 square, then 1 upon 3 square, like this, 1 upon 4 square, like this, and so on, 1 upon n square, and so on. This is also the example of ordered set, we can say. We may mention it 1 upon 3, then 1 upon 5, then 1 upon 7, like this, because there is difference of 2, 1 upon 2 and minus 1. See, 2 1 2 minus 1 is 1, so denominator is 1 here. 2 to the 4 minus 1, that is 3, 2 3 the 6 minus 1, that is 5, 2 4 the 8 minus 1, that is 7. So these are all examples of the sequence, we can say. And it is only the introductory part of the chapter which is known as sequence of real numbers. You have studied lot of type of sequences, that arithmetic sequence or arithmetic progression you say, geometric progression or geometric series or geometric sequence. Like that, one particular ordered set should be there for this. Now up to here, this only particular part is over. Now let us discuss range of the sequence. Its definition is the set of all distinct terms of sequence is called its range. Thus, if S is equal to S1, S2, S3 and so on, Sn and so on, be a sequence, then its range R of S. R of S means range, R for range and S for sequence. So range of sequence is defined as R of S, or range of sequence, is equal to Sn is such that n is element of capital N. Here I want to tell you one particular term, that is distinct, means what? Different terms. Different terms. Distinct or different, you may write. the set of all different terms or distinct terms of sequence is called its range. Means all these terms which we write in the sequence inside the curly bracket, that is called range of the sequence. So let me tell you that it may be infinite sequence if it is defined in such a manner as n, where n is equal to from 1 to infinity, then it is known as infinite set. Infinite set of sequence. It is called infinite set of sequence because where for all n is element of capital N. Here it is from n is equal to 1 to infinity. For all n is element of n, it is infinite set of sequence, or it may be known as infinite sequence also. Infinite sequence. This is also known as infinite sequence, and suppose it is defined in such a manner as n is equal to minus 1 raised to the power n, like this. So what we may conclude from this, that s is equal to, it is minus 1 comma 1, then again minus 1, then 1, then minus 1, then 1, and so on, like this. So what is the range of this sequence? R of s is equal to what? Either it is minus 1 or it is 1. This is only the range of this particular sequence. It is, this type of sequence is known as finite sequence. Finite sequence it is because its range is minus 1 comma 1. That's why it is finite sequence. One more type of sequence is there, which is known as constant sequence. Let me explain you constant sequence. What is constant sequence? Constant sequence means what? Suppose a sequence Sn is equal to C, means it is row of C only, which is element of R or real number, we can say. So suppose I am explaining one particular sequence 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1 and so on, then it is known as constant sequence. This type of sequence is called constant sequence, and its range is 1 only. Range of this sequence is 1. So in this way we can understand the range of the sequence also, and up to here only we are concluding our topic, and you must prepare this first of all before understanding the convergence of sequence. It is over now. Thanks a lot for watching.